If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025 to get rich quick, you might want to look somewhere else. My small channel of just about 1,000 subs made a whopping $5 this year. But that doesn't really explain the full story, so let me tell you why. First though, I want to quickly review what it takes on YouTube to make ad revenue. The current numbers you need to hit on YouTube as we go into 2025 are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So after you hit those requirements, you can start making money on YouTube. With my channel this year, I personally did not cross that threshold until December 25th, so just a few days ago. So really, I was only monetized for about 5 or 6 days this year. So in order to get a better picture of what you could expect from a full year of monetization, let's go ahead and back calculate that for a full year of views. Your revenue from YouTube can be estimated by two main numbers. The first one is going to be the number of ad views. For simplicity, let's say each view on your video was one ad viewed. So for me last year, I accumulated 125,000 views on my videos. So we'll use that number moving forward. The second number we need is the cost per mil, or CPM. This number is essentially telling the advertiser how much they have to pay YouTube in order to get their ad shown to 1,000 people. So the revenue of that sale is actually split between myself and YouTube at 55% to me and 45% to YouTube. For the few days I've been monetized, my CPM has been about $8.72, which makes my cut $4.80. So from there, the math is pretty straightforward. 125,000 views divided by 1,000 times our CPM of $4.80 equates to about $600 for the full year of views. So as you can see, even if I had been monetized all year, I wasn't exactly raking in the money. And then if you really get into how much time went into the 50 videos I made this year, the hourly rate looks pretty bad. Most of the videos on this channel are 5 to 8 minutes long, but with the editing process, generally I'm putting in 5 to 10 hours of work for each one. So it's really hard to stay dedicated and keep going if you're not having fun with what you're doing. So to sum this all up, 2 takeaways here. Number 1, if you're looking to get rich from YouTube, you should probably reduce your expectations. You can make some money from YouTube, lots of people do, but the average channel is just going to take a few years to start getting some meaningful money out of your channel. And takeaway number 2 is that you really have to enjoy what you're doing in order to stay dedicated to this long term. Building stuff is fun for me, so I've enjoyed all the projects I've done this year, but what I really did not enjoy until recently is the editing process, which takes up a majority of the time. I ended up taking about a 3-month break this year, and that was mostly due to editing burnout. But in the recent months, it's really been growing on me, and I've been enjoying the process a lot more. So that is theoretically how much money I would have made from YouTube this year if I had been fully monetized all year. If you are interested in woodworking and other maker projects, feel free to subscribe to not miss out on future videos on the channel.